Welcome back to your class, children. Today we are going to study a new chapter, which is adverb and its types. So let's get started. So let's understand what is an adverb. Ad plus verb makes adverb. We already are aware of verb. Action words are known as verb, right? So adverb means the words which add meaning to the verb, right? Which specify the verbs more clearly are known as adverbs. Okay, for example, if I'm saying she sings, okay, so she sings means the girl sings. Okay, but do we know how does she sings? Do she sing sweetly or does she sings bitterly? How does she sings? We don't know about it. So to specify all these questions, we use few words. Those words are known as adverbs. For example, if I say she sings sweetly, then sweetly here is the adverb. Okay, so let's make it more clear with the help of examples. The bus is moving very fast. So the bus is moving is all right, but how does the bus moving? How is the bus moving? The bus is moving very fast. So here the adverb fast is telling us that the bus is moving. How does the bus moves, right? So right now the bus is moving very fast. So it is very clear to us that the bus is moving in a very fast speed, right? Then in the same way, the girl is doing her homework neatly. So girl is doing the homework is fine, but how is she doing? She is doing it very neatly. So neatly is again the adverb, right? So here are three types of adverbs in your course. One is adverb of manner, second one is adverb of place, and third one is adverb of time. Okay, so let's understand, let's have a brief look and then we'll understand them with the help of example. Okay, now very first is adverb of manner. It tells us how an action is performed, means in which way, in which manner the action is performed. How, like how the girl sings, the girl sings sweetly. So sweetly will be the adverb of manner. Next one is your adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us where an action is performed. If somebody asks you where do you live, so the person is asking your place, right? So where means adverb of place. If you are getting the answer of where is the bird flying? The bird is flying above, right? If I say above, above means I am locating a place. If I say air is everywhere, so where is air? It is everywhere. So everywhere will be your adverb of place. Okay, let's see the next one, adverb of time. So it tells us when an action is performed, at what time, today, tomorrow, soon, later, early, late, right? So all these are adverb of time. So let's have a brief look on each one of them. Let's understand them better with the help of examples. So here we have adverb of manner. Means adverb of manner means how. Okay, how. Just understand how the action is performed. We have to find out the answer of how. So the first one is Rahul clapped happily. How did Rahul clap? He clapped happily. So happily will be your adverb of manner. Next one, soldiers fought bravely. How did the soldiers fought? They fought bravely. So bravely will be your adverb of manner. The athlete ran fast. How did the athlete run? He ran fast. So fast will be the adverb of manner. So children, are you getting? Means wherever we are getting the answer of how, so there it will be adverb of manner. Okay, so let's have few more adverb of manner. Bravely, neatly, beautifully, quietly, slowly, happily, fast, slow, merrily, clumsily, carefully, excitedly, etc. These are few adverb of manner. Okay, so here are few exercises for you. You have to do it by yourself. Okay, you have to pick out the adverb of manner here. I drive carefully. How did I drive? I drive carefully. So carefully will be your adverb of manner. Rest 4 you have to do it by yourself. Okay, so let's move further. Now we have adverb of place. Place means where. Now we have to find the answer of the question, where. Okay, let's see. The bird is flying above. Where is the bird flying? The bird is flying above. So above will be your adverb of place, right? Next, children are playing outside. Where are the children playing? They are playing outside. So outside will be your adverb of place. Next is mosquitoes are everywhere. Where are the mosquitoes? Mosquitoes are everywhere. So everywhere will be your adverb of place. So here we have few more adverbs of place. Here, there, everywhere, above, below, inside, outside, up, down, upstairs, downstairs, near, far, etc. So these all these words indicates your adverb of place, right? Now again you have few questions with you which you have to solve by yourself. The first one I'll definitely let you know. You have to pick the adverb of place. The girl is inside. Where the girl is? She's inside. So inside will be your adverb of place. Okay, rest 4 you have to do by yourself. If you feel any kind of difficulty, you can directly ask me there. Now let's move on to the next. We have adverb of time. Time means when an action is performed. Okay, so let's see the examples. Very first is I met her today. When did I met her? I met her today. So today will be the adverb of time. Today will be the adverb of time. Next one, the baby is crying now. When is the baby crying? The baby is crying right now. So now will be the adverb of time. Next one, he woke up early. When did he woke up? He woke up early. So early will again be the adverb of time. So again we have few adverb of time words. Today, now, early, late, yesterday, now, tonight, tomorrow, late, soon, then, daily, later, etc. So these are some adverb of time. So again you have your questions with you. Pick the adverb of time here. So first one is he will call soon. So when will he call? He'll call soon. So soon will be the adverb of time. So children, rest 4 you have to do by yourself. So children, that was all for today's class. I hope you all got the concept of adverb and its type. We'll definitely meet you soon. Till then, bye bye.